YouTube? So, working on a 2013 Yukon Denali, and we're replacing the heater core hose. I already disconnected it from back here, but basically how it's connected, there's two gray clamps. So that clamp, there's two ends on it where these openings are, and you'll feel it. Just compress them in, push it in, and press those in, and then you should be able to pull it out. So that's what I did here. And then next, it's connected down there to the water pump, and it goes all the way up here to the reservoir right here. So just take this clamp off, take that clamp off, and that's how you remove the heater core hose. So once you remove those two clamps, you're able to remove it off the reservoir. This is a PET stand. That's going to be all the coolant. So, still draining, but remove the heater core hose. Sometimes they leak and crack right here. I don't know if you can see, but they cracked. So right in there. So got the new hose. And then when you buy the hose, 9 times out of 10, you're gonna have to buy the quick disconnect piece as well. So just to give you a heads up. Yep. Just put those clamps back. So we got quick disconnect on. Put the hose to the water pump on. Then the reservoir. And just top off the coolant. I'm not gonna do that now because I still have to put the spark plugs in. But yeah, that's how you replace the heater core hose in a 2013 GMC Yukon Denali.